In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar 2026. Quick and easy. 5 minutes. We'll link your Calendly account to Google Calendar so your availability, bookings, and updates stay perfectly in sync. By the end, new meetings scheduled through Calendly will appear on your Google Calendar automatically, and busy times already on your Google Calendar will be blocked in Calendly to prevent double booking. Start by opening a browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter the email address you use for Calendly, choose Continue, then enter your password and continue again. If you're asked to verify your sign-in, complete that prompt. Once you land on your Calendly home dashboard, you're ready to connect your calendar. Find integrations and apps in the navigation and open it. In the list of available integrations, locate Google Calendar and select it. Click Connect. Calendly will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in and permission screen. Choose the Google account you want to use with Calendly. If you're signed in to multiple Google accounts, pick the one that holds the calendar you rely on for your schedule. Click Continue to grant access. Calendly requests permission to view your calendars for conflicts and to add events when someone books with you. This is required for real-time availability and automatic event creation, and you can revoke access anytime from your Google account security settings. After you approve, you'll be returned to Calendly and should see that Google Calendar is connected and syncing. That's the core setup done. From now on, Calendly will check your Google Calendar for existing events so you don't get double booked, and it will place new bookings onto the calendar you specify. A few quick tips to fine-tune the integration. In your calendar settings inside Calendly, choose which calendars to check for conflicts and which calendar to add new events to. This is especially helpful if you juggle separate work and personal calendars. Make sure your time zone in Calendly matches your Google Calendar to avoid any timing surprises for you or your invitees. If you rely on reminders and confirmations, review your event type notifications so guests get emails with the correct meeting details and links. And that's it. You've connected Calendly with Google Calendar in just a few clicks, and your scheduling can now run on autopilot. If something doesn't look right later, revisit integrations and apps to confirm the connection, or reauthorize your Google account. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.